All right, boys and girls, so today is going to be our last day of our Mo Willems author study. So I wanted to go over one last Elephant and Piggy book. And this book is called We Are in a Book by Mo Willems. Thank you. Piggy? Yes, Gerald. I think someone is looking at us. Someone is looking at us. Who is looking at us? A monster? No, it is a reader. A reader is reading us. How is a reader reading us? The reader is reading these word bubbles. We are in a book. We are in a book? That is so cool! We are in a book. We are in a book. We are being read. We are being read. Oh, I have a good idea. I can make the reader say a word. You can make the reader say a word? I can. If the reader reads out loud. That is a funny idea. Here I go. Ahem. Banana. Did you hear that? The reader said, banana! Ha 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 ha. Oh, the reader said it again. Ha ha ha. Hee hee ha 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 ha. So funny. Banana! So funny. Do you want to turn? Before the book ends? Ends? The book ends? Yes, all books end. When will the book end? I want you to make a prediction. Why do you think Gerald is so worried about the book ending? Let's see. I will look. Page 57. Page 57? It is page 46 now. Yeek! Now it is page 47. This book is going too fast. I have more to give. More words, more jokes, more bananas. I just want to be read. I have a good idea. Whisper, whisper. Make a prediction. What do you think they're whispering about? That is a good idea. Hello. Will you please read us again? I hope this works. Me too. All right, so we're going to continue with our opinion writing. And now that we're finished with our Mo Willems study, we're going to write our opinion about our favorite Mo Willems book. So opinion writing is when you tell about something you like or you do not like. So when you write your opinion, you need to think, decide, and explain. So think about all of those books we have read by Mo Willems. All right, so now we need to decide which one is our favorite. So we need to go back all the way to the pigeon books. Don't let the pigeon drive the bus. Don't let the pigeon stay up late. The pigeon needs a bath. The pigeon wants a puppy. Are pigeon books your favorite? Maybe you weren't liking those. Maybe you like the Knuffle Bunny books. Knuffle Bunny, Knuffle Bunny 2, Knuffle Bunny 3. You have to think about what happened during those books. In Knuffle Bunny, Trixie was a little baby and lost her Knuffle Bunny at the laundromat. In Knuffle Bunny 2, her and Sonia show up to school together and they both have the same Knuffle Bunny and they get mixed up. Knuffle Bunny 3 is when Trixie gives away her Knuffle Bunny to a little boy on the plane. Then there's the Elephant and Piggy series. I will surprise my friends when they forgot that one of them needed to look while the other one hid. When the book Elephants Cannot Dance. When Gerald was not a good dancer. There's a bird on your head. When the bird was on Gerald's head and he couldn't get him off and then he sent him to Piggy's head. We Are in a Book, the one that we just read. Let's Go for a Drive. When Gerald wanted to go and he was thinking about all the things he needed, except he forgot he needed a car. And I Really Like Slop. When Piggy was eating that yucky slop and Gerald did not like it, that we read yesterday. So now your job is going to be, you're going to write your author study now. These are my favorite books that I have read by Mo Willems. And there's 3 different books here. You could pick 2, or maybe you have one book that is your absolute favorite, and you could write about that. And I left the next page, my favorite Mo Willems book cover. And you can draw the cover of the book that you think was the best. And on one side, you can draw what the cover looked like, and on the other side, you can draw what your favorite part of the book was. So let's go back to this. These are my favorite books. So you can write in these, and you could pick 3 different books, or you could take the pictures right from the pictures that I posted. I have all of the books that we read so far from Mo Willems, and you could put the pictures right there. And then you need to decide, in your opinion, what was your favorite book? Now, everybody's opinion might be different. And when we meet on Friday, we're going to talk about what our favorite Mo Willems book is. But my favorite book was, and then you're going to write about what your favorite book was. And you need to tell me why. I liked this book because. If we're giving our opinion, we always need a reason. Okay, so what I did was I just took the covers right from the slides that were before that I showed you. So I put those pictures in. I would like you to draw them or to write the book titles in there. But if you can't, that's fine. You can always use those too. My favorite book was. So now you need to decide which one is your favorite. So I picked 3 of my favorite. The Pigeon Needs a Bath, We Are in a Book, and Knuffle Bunny. So those are 3 of my favorite Mo Willems book. But now I need to decide which one is my all-time favorite Mo Willems book. And I'm going to pick We Are in a Book. And now I need to give my reason why. I liked this book because it was very funny. I like that Gerald and Piggy were talking to the reader. Now my sentences got a little bit too big, so that's okay. It just went into the slide a little bit longer. I like that Gerald and Piggy were talking to the reader. That's the reason why I like that book. Now you might like that book for a different reason. You might think that it was funny when Gerald was laughing so hard that he was crying. You could pick any reasons you want. So your job is going to be to fill this out. And I'm going to put up all of these slides that I have from today on what an opinion is. When you're writing your opinion, the first thing you need to do is think. Think about all those books we read. Decide. Pick a favorite. And then explain why. Don't just tell me it was very funny. A lot of these books are funny. Why do you think that it's funny? I told you before, I could also write that Gerald was laughing so hard he was crying. That is funny to me. I laugh like that a lot. So those would be my reasons why. So I look forward to seeing what your favorite book is and why. Have a great day, boys and girls.